Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 10th of September, 2018. Taking a look at our homework this evening. In math, there is nothing due tomorrow, but we do have a prime number quiz this Thursday, and our Module 2 quiz will be on Friday. You also need to check Google Classroom because there was an assignment that was posted on there that is due at the end of the week, if you would so like to do so. In science, there is a quiz tomorrow, and we will spend time reviewing today for that and talk about how you can review at home for that for tomorrow. In social studies, there is no homework, but you do have a t-shirt design opportunity from Mr. Sanchez. In language arts, you need to do a Writer's Notebook Chapter 1 entry that we'll get started on in class after we listen to the audio on tape, and then you need to bring books because tomorrow is our library day for language arts. In literature, your article of the week is due a week from today. That's Monday the 21st, and then your AR parent letter needs to be signed by your parents and turned in to Mrs. Shaver by this Friday. Couple of things here. Don't forget to turn in your FCCLA form. If you have that, let's get that turned in as quickly as we can to Miss Vanessa. And then we do have school pictures tomorrow. Dress up and do your hair if you want to. That's it for today. Have a good one.